So I've been using the Insta360 GO3S for a couple of weeks now, and I've been using it wrong. One of my subscribers, thanks to Oz Peter, he actually told me about this feature, and come to think of it, I actually remember seeing it in the keynote when they released this camera. It didn't quite register with me at the time, but I just wanted to share with you this little tip that Oz Peter actually reminded me of, and it really is great actually, because if you're using this as a POV camera, you can obviously take the camera out of the action pod. This is the standalone Insta360 GO3S 4K footage. I've done a whole video about it, I'll link it above. It's an amazing little device. It's not perfect, as with every camera that's released these days, but it's pretty damn near. You can actually use it as a POV camera with the magnetic pendant. I will show you. This actually goes over your head like so, and then the camera magnetizes on there vertically or horizontally like that. And they've really improved the magnets this year. No matter what sort of activity you're doing, this has really improved. The magnetism is very strong. If you're using this as a POV camera, you've got the camera on there, but you want to change the angle a little bit. If you remember last year with the Go3, they released the Go3 magnetic pendant with like a little wedge that actually clipped on the back of this magnetic pendant. This year they've thought about changing the angle of the camera, and you can use the special clip mount, which usually goes on a cap or a band or something like that. This actually goes in there, so you put the camera in there, and this magnetizes to the pendant, and the magnets again are very strong, and then you can change the angle up and down depending on sort of what you want to use it for. And if you want to put it that way, you can change the angle left and right as well, I suppose, but I think it's designed to actually change the angle up and down like so. So that's great. That I didn't really register when it first came out that those worked in unison, but they do. So it's a little tip for you. If you're using this as a POV camera, use this clip mount, which is usually for the hat, with the magnetic pendant. They are designed to work together because this is magnetized on the back. You can of course magnetize this to other things if you want to, if you've got the camera in here, and like I said, the magnets are much improved this year. They're very strong. Don't forget, this is actually magnetized on the back, obviously, because they magnetize together, so you can put this on like a lamppost or anything metal. It will magnetize to most things as well. So yeah, you can do lots of stuff, lots of creativity when it comes to magnets. I love magnets, and they all work now together, all these accessories, which is great. So I hope it helped. Let me know if you've got any other tips that I don't know about this camera, because you know, I'm still learning. It is a fantastic camera, and I'd really be interested to know how you've been using yours if you've got one of these. Okay, that's it for this one. Make sure you check out this video over here if you like this one, and check out that one over there. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because it really does help. See you on the next one, guys. Bye.